Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a good week so far. I thought I might check in with you. I have been enjoying your discussion questions, and so now, if you can please end the suspense for all of us, let's see how good of a liar that you really were. Also, just a couple of things for this week. I did reload the PowerPoints for this week because there was an exercise on there from the spring semester that you all are not doing, so I wanted to remove that. What I wanted to kind of look at just very quickly, so your part one of your solution paper is due this week, and so let's look here real quick. If you can see what I'm looking at here, of course you can go under and take a look at, and all you are asking to do right now is to do a review of the problem, the health challenge, the health event, however you want to term that. And of course we're looking for citations, and so what you will do is, of course, the problem and its consequences, 1.5 to 2 pages max. Of course, this would not include, your 2 pages would not include your cover page, your title page, in other words, and your references. So give us a clear, concise statement of the problem, followed by supporting commentary about the scope of the problem and its impact. In other words, why have you chosen this particular topic, and why should we be concerned about this? Convince your reader that this is a major problem. Of course, we're looking for you to cite research, which means, of course, you're going to go online and look at some information. Make sure that your sources are reputable, and, talk about the various issues surrounding the issue. Please be sure to properly cite all of your information, both in the text of your paper and also in your reference list. And also, just as a reminder, we are using APA for this class. 1-inch margins, double-spaced, 12-point font. You can create a title page. It's all listed there too. Works cited, you're going to do that. This actually is incorrect, except number all pages except the title page. APA has made a change on this, and I don't know how long this has been up here, but we're gonna put that up there. Overall, we're looking for at least 6 current peer-reviewed journals, so you can get started on that. So that would be good. You can use other pieces of work, but of course we would like for those to be as current as possible. A lot of times folks will use a lot of quotations, thinking that really makes their paper sparkle. It actually doesn't. So, read from other people, cite them, but also put things in your own words. Please be sure that you mark this. Of course, the title page will have your name on it. I can't think of other things out here, but you can take a look at this. And actually, too, under the assignment guidelines, we've actually given you a rubric as well, too. Let's see. This is not what I'm looking for. My apologies. There is where is this? Well, here we go. Solution paper grading rubric. So you might as well see what we're looking for here. This is worth 40 points, this first part, and this is exactly how you'll be judged. So even though you're not being graded right now on APA styling, or for that matter for your references, if you get it right the first time, that's one less thing that you have to make an adjustment for before you turn in your final paper. So we would like that. And of course, you can see here, this is how we're going to grade 2 and 3, and then of course also your logic model and items like that. So let's see what else. Did I want to say anything about the solution paper? We've actually given you some examples of students in the past and how they have done what they have done. And so take a look at those. Look at Anthony's. Anthony Peluso is a good idea. He'll give you some good ideas there too. And even though right now we're not working with a logic model, this is actually one of the things that you'll look at later on. It's not a bad idea to kind of be thinking of this in mind, because this is a visual way to kind of tell us exactly in a nutshell what your solution paper and your intervention is going to be like. So you can take a look at that. And I look forward to reviewing these. And so thank you.